everyone. So today I am going to show you some of my garden plants that I have. I'm starting the square foot gardening method, and I think this is going to really help me since I'm a new gardener. I think this is just going to help me to get organized and to learn about the garden a little more quickly and efficiently. So I got this book off of Amazon, and I'm really excited to dive in. And I'm going to show you what else I purchased. So let's see. I did pick up a pack of 10, and I believe these are 10-gallon grow bags. It's kind of like a felt-like material, but I think they might be polyester. I'm not sure, but kind of like that. And they do come with handles on the sides, which is hard to tell because everything is black, but there's the handles, and then they open up and they're nice and big and can grow all kinds of things in here. So it's a 10-pack of 10-gallon grow bags. So I got those, and then they did come with little garden markers, and they are from GardZenOnline.com. So here's the GardZen. And then I did get some seeds. So I bought these separate. These are kohlrabi. It's a purple and then a green, which they call white Vienna and purple Vienna. So I got some kohlrabi seeds. And then I got this pack. It's called Open Seed Vault. And it has 32 variety of seeds in here. So I'll go ahead and go through, and it comes with a growing guide. And for 32 packets of seeds, it comes in this small package, but they're all in here. So let's see. And this is plenty. I don't think I'm going to plant all of these. I know we don't eat all of these in general, but I might pick one or two that are new to us that we haven't tried. So let's see. So we have our corn seeds and pumpkin, sunflower, broccoli, might be a little bit hard to see, but eggplant, beets, peas, tomatoes, we've got carrots, winter squash, which would be kind of like butternut squash, things like that, parsnips, cucumber, cauliflower, turnips, onions, and we've got beans. Doesn't say what type of beans, but then there's a butter crunch, butterhead lettuce, black seeded Simpson lettuce, spinach, radishes, cantaloupe, Brussels sprouts, and some of these, you know, like the plants are really big, and it's just amazing that like one little seed is a plant that grows into that large of a plant. Swiss chard, ruby leaf lettuce, lima beans. I don't think I've had lima beans, but I think you put butter on any type of bean and it's fine. Zucchini, celery, kale, cabbage, watermelon, bell pepper, and okra. So I have plenty here to start the garden, and then even to go on until next year and beyond. So what's really neat is that if all the seeds come in this packet, if you keep this packet sealed and you don't open it, I think it said the seeds are viable for 10 years. So obviously mine have been open, so you know the viability is going to be shrunken down. or substantially less than 10 years. But I'm really excited. I think that this is a really good start for me. And I am going to get some seed potatoes. I know they're out at Tractor Supply right now, but I think I'm going to wait on those. And yeah, we need to finish getting the garden ground prepared. So right now there's a lot of wood chips. We did put, last year we put down cardboard and wood chips. That did really well, but the area gets too wet to plant in ground. So we are filling in the 4 beds that we dug out in the ground out there. So we need to lay down some more cardboard, definitely more wood chips to get the ground level again. And then we just need to decide, we are going to do raised beds, but we need to decide what kind we want to build. Trying to do it pretty inexpensively so I can get as many beds in as possible. So that'll be another video. And then I'm really excited to start on the square foot gardening method. It sounds very simple. Today, oh, I didn't bring them in, but I did buy some nasturtium seeds and marigold seeds to help with companion planting as far as like pests and things like that. So yeah, so really excited. I gotta sit down with my gardening planner, and I've started on it, but I need to go ahead and like put the full plan on paper so that we can get things rolling. So thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you next time.